Hello everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as you know, today we are going to do the national numbers, or we can say the number system topic. Today we are going to do the same topic, that is our natural number topic, and today we are going to do our representing irrational numbers on the number line. Today we are going to do that. Okay, so did you know how to represent it? I hope you know, because it's very simple process to do it. And if I say you by representing, they are simple, but just a thing that you have to do is you have to contain some irrational number that are root 2, root 5, but the process of representing is same. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you will draw a line. Okay, now let's go, first of all let's go and see the steps that we have to do. So the step number 1 says draw a line segment of A and B. Okay, we have to draw a line segment over here of A and then B. Okay, and after when we draw it, we will name it as X, because we are doing X, the let X. And then what we will do, we will extend 1 centimeter line to point B. Okay, and then we will draw 1 unit line. Okay, and we will denote it as C. Okay, and then what we will do, we will find the midpoint from point A to point C. We will find the midpoint of this line. Now what you will have to do, you have to open your compass. Okay, what you will do, you will open your compass, you will open more it, means you will open half of your compass measuring to this line. You will open it half of it, and then you will make it little bit more open, and then you will put it on the point C. You will put it on point C, and then you will draw an arc, and by the same measure what you will do, you will put it on point A. Okay, and then you will draw an arc again, and after it when you draw it, you will find a perpendicular, and after it you will name that perpendicular as O. And then with O as a center and OA as radius, draw a semicircle. Now you have to put the point of your compass over here, and you have to mark a semicircle from point A to point C. You have to draw a semicircle, and after it you will draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now what you have to do, you have to do it as, you have to take the measure of this point to this point, and then you will put your compass point on point B, and then you will draw an arc over here, and then you will match this point, and then this will refer as root X. This will refer as root X. Okay, so I hope till over here you will get what did I want to say. So let's go and see the solution of this thing. Okay, just a wait, let's go and see the solution, and after it let's go and see what's the solution for it. So the same thing that I have done with you in this, we are getting that only. First we have draw the line from point A to point B, and then we draw 1 centimeter line to point B to point C. Then we have draw a perpendicular by measuring the same angle, and we have put it on point A and C, and we have draw the perpendicular, and then we draw a semicircle, and then we have take the measure from here to here, point O to point C, and then we draw an arc over here, and then we draw a perpendicular over here, and this perpendicular show it as root X. So this is your solution. So I hope it is very simple for you. Now we have to represent 0.9, means we have to represent root 9.2 can be represent on number line. So now let us go and represent how we have to present it. So it is larger, no it is not. So what we have to do, we have to represent it. So first of all we will minimize it, and then let's start it. So first of all we will draw the same from point A to point B. I have drawn a line from point A to point B. We will denote as 9.2. Root 9.2 we have denoted is, and then we will draw one unit, move one unit to point B to point C, and then we will put the point, we will open your compass and you will put the point on point C, and then you will draw an arc in the upper side, and then you will put your point on point A, then you will draw one more arc, and then you will form a perpendicular, and after that perpendicular you will draw a semicircle by putting the compass on a O point, and then you will draw a semicircle to point C, and then you will draw the measure, you will measure the centimeter to point B to point O to point C, and then you will draw an arc, you will put the compass point on point C, and then you will draw an arc upper side, and then you will join it, and by this you will form the answer, that is root 9.2. okay, so this is the answer. The solution is not given over here, so we will do it by this. Okay, now let's go into the decimal expansion, so we will do this in the next video. So I hope that it is clear to you. So thank you, like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.